Hello everyone. This time I will show you how to use a multimeter like this. This is a digital multimeter. If you see, we can use this in different range. And this is off. When we move to the left, you see the number is little, and if you move to the right, it's more big. Now let's start with a simple test. We have 4 batteries and different kinds of battery. If you see, I will take this, and this is alter voltage and this is direct voltage. And how you know this battery, this kind of battery, the 4 battery, are direct voltage, and for that reason I have to move this to the left. But if you see, the number is 1000, is bigger than the voltage of the battery. For that reason I have to continue moving to the left. 200, 20, and 20 is okay, and 20, because we know that this battery, they say, if you see, let me see, if you, this battery say the 1.5 voltage, 1.5 volts, and for that reason 20 is okay. The next step is take this and take one battery. Let me put this in one position that you can see what I am doing. Let me see, give me a second. Yeah, it's okay. The polarity is not so important because the only we need is the number. Let me see. It's okay. And that's, and we will use this touching this point and touching this other point. And if you see in the screen, let me see if I if you see in the screen, that's the voltage of the battery, actually 1.48, and that say that this battery is full charge. If you use other battery like this is other kind of battery, you see the 3.83. If you see, this battery is not full charge because this battery, when is full charge, the voltage must be 4.5. And let's continue with this 1.41 is full charge, more or less, because if you see it's 1.5, but half charge is half charge. Let me see this is 1.32, but this is different because this battery say 1.2 volts, and if you see that the multimeter show this, is okay because it's higher than the voltage is writing in the battery, and for that reason we can know that the battery is full charge. Now let's move to the right, This is alter voltage. Continue to the right. If you see 2000, 200. If you see, it's okay because this, for example, is 100, 110. Now let's put this is that's the position. Yeah, position. Entonces, if you see, this is the way to obtain the voltage of alter voltage. You collocate this point, and this, let me move to the and this in this point, and if you see, that's the voltage. You must be careful in this part because you know that is very dangerous if you touch the line. 1122.8.9 voltage is okay, and now disconnect. And that's the lesson for today. Any question in the comments, please subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. See you later.